First, enable Bluetooth on your compatible smartphone and make sure your vehicle is in an open area with good signal strength. After selecting your preferred language, enter your mobile number to receive a link to download or open the Toyota app. If you're installing the app and creating a new account for the first time, you may be asked if you want to let the app use Bluetooth. Tap Allow. Next, tap Register to create your Toyota app account. You can create an account using an existing Apple, Google, or Facebook account, or you can register your account by entering your information manually. For security purposes, a 6-digit activation code will be sent to the email address or phone number used to register. Once received, you can tap the activation code displayed on your keypad to verify the account or enter the code you received manually. If available, turn on your smartphone's facial recognition technology to quickly access your account. Feel free to take an optional tour of the app or skip for now. In the app's landing screen, select Add a Vehicle. You'll now be asked to enter your Grand Highlander's VIN. The VIN can be found at the bottom of your vehicle's windshield or inside the driver door panel. You can either enter the VIN manually or scan it from the app using your smartphone's camera. Once your VIN has been entered or scanned, scan the QR code on your screen to complete the connection. Your smartphone should now display your new Grand Highlander. Confirm your vehicle, create an optional nickname, and select your preferred dealership for future maintenance. When you're done, tap Save Changes and create a 6-digit security PIN for your new account, which will be used to load your personal Toyota user profile. The next screen will list your available connected services trial subscriptions, which offer a range of convenience features like remote start, vehicle alerts, and cloud navigation. Tap Continue to proceed to the terms of use for connected services and master data consent, and tap Accept. Keep in mind that this is the only way to take advantage of these trial subscriptions. You will receive a subscription notice from Toyota before your trial period ends, and you won't be automatically charged or enrolled once your trials expire. Once you've enrolled in your connected services trial subscriptions, tap Confirm and Continue to move forward to finish setup. Your Grand Highlander is now linked to your Toyota profile and should appear on your app's dashboard. On the vehicle touchscreen, tap I've completed app setup.